Il-Kamra tal-Kummerċ għal darb'oħra wissiet lill-Gvern li s-setturi tal-manifattura u l-beħ sejrin ħażin u qed isibu numru ta' diffikultajiet. Kien il-President tal-Kamra tal-Kummerċ il-Perit David Xwiereb li stqar b'mod dirett li ċertu setturi mhux ilaħqu mal-ekonomija u appella biex dawn jiġu mejjuna.
These latter sectors, which include manufacturing and retail, are suffering a high rate of cost-push inflation. Then their business can afford. The lack of available skills that we continue to experience is escalating this effect, so the matter remains our topmost priority to tackle.
Xwiereb tkellem ukoll dwar is-settur tal-kostruzzjoni f'Malta u l-problemi relatati ma' dan is-settur f'pajjiżna fejn appella biex jiżdied il-livell tax-xogħol u l-kwalità.
Documenting a system that we become an economy focused on quality and where mediocrity and substandards are replaced by a culture of excellence and where the current good enough attitude is replaced by nothing but the best.
Il-President tal-Kamra tal-Kummerċ tkellem dwar il-bżonn li l-industrija tal-kostruzzjoni tara titjib fir-reputazzjoni tagħha għaliex iddikjara li l-poplu jixraqlu aħjar.